Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Today we're exploring how specific body points, validated by both traditional and modern science, can help men over 50 restore circulation, nerve signaling, and potency naturally. This isn't magic, it's physiology. When you stimulate these points correctly for just 1 minute, you enhance blood flow and sensitivity where it matters most. Stay until the end for my complete 10-minute daily routine. C of Vitality, B47 and B48. These points sit on your lower back, 2 fingers from the spine below the waist. They connect directly to the pelvic nerves and vessels. Press both thumbs firmly into each side, making small circles for 1 minute. You'll feel warmth or tingling across your pelvis. That's increased blood flow and nerve activation. Consistent massage here supports erectile strength and overall pelvic vitality. Rushing door, inner thigh. Located 4 finger widths above your knee on the inner thigh. This point boosts leg and pelvic circulation. Sit upright, press the area firmly with your thumb, and massage in circles for 1 minute on each leg. A mild ache means you've found the spot. Improved leg circulation mirrors improved penile blood flow. The same arteries feed both. Do this daily for stronger, steadier performance. Crooked bone, pubic point. This point sits at the lower edge of your pubic bone, right where it meets the base of your penis. Using 2 fingers, press and massage gently for 1 minute. You may feel a spreading warmth or subtle vibration. That's the pudendal nerve waking up. Regular stimulation enhances sensitivity and erection control by improving nerve communication and localized blood supply. 3 mile point, ST36. About 4 finger widths below the kneecap on the outer shin lies the 3 mile point. It boosts stamina, digestion, and testosterone production. Press firmly and rotate in circles for 1 minute on each leg. Tenderness means blocked energy, keep at it. Regular work here improves metabolism and energy, feeding your body with the vitality needed for healthy sexual function. Gate of consciousness, base of skull. These twin hollows at the base of your skull calm your nervous system. Press your thumbs upward and hold for 1 minute, breathing slowly. This shifts your body from fight or flight into rest and restore mode, the state required for arousal. Use before intimacy or bedtime to dissolve stress, and let parasympathetic energy take over for better natural erections. Sacral points, base of spine. Your sacrum, the triangular bone at the base of your spine, contains 8 tiny openings where pelvic nerves exit. Lie back, place a tennis ball under this area, and move gently for 1 minute. The pressure stimulates every nerve that feeds your reproductive organs, improving bladder control and erectile response. Over time, this builds stronger pelvic nerve communication. Lower abdominal point, 4 fingers below navel. Place 3 fingers below your navel. This point connects to the prostate and pelvic vessels. Press and rotate gently for 1 minute, breathing into your belly. You're stimulating circulation to the prostate and erectile tissue, improving nutrient delivery and hormone balance. Regular practice enhances urinary flow and firmness naturally. The 10-minute daily protocol. For best results, combine the points. Start with the gate of consciousness, 1 minute. C of vitality, 1 minute. Sacral points, 1 minute. Crooked bone, 1 minute. Rushing door, 1 minute each leg. And finish with the lower abdominal point, 1 minute. In just 10 minutes daily, you enhance circulation, relax your nerves, and restore male vitality. Expect noticeable improvements in 2 to 3 weeks, with deeper results in 2 to 3 months. Gentlemen, these techniques aren't superstition. They're structured, science-supported bodywork that trains your circulation and nervous system to perform at their best. Try the full routine for 30 days and watch the difference. If this helped you, tap like, subscribe for more men's health insights, and tell me in the comments which point you'll start with. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Remember, simple daily care keeps your vitality alive.